Today we are going to start a new chapter, file handling. In this chapter we will learn how we can create file and how we can perform different operation with the file. Now let's understand what is a file. A file is a document or the data stored on a permanent storage device which can be read, written or rewritten according to requirement. Okay, whatever data we store in our system, we store that data in the form of files. Okay, we usually use the files to store data permanently on secondary storage media. Okay, we use the file to store the data permanently on hard disk. Generally we use the hard disk or pen drive or CD. That is the secondary storage media. Okay, we have different types of files in our system like mp3 file, music file, or video file, mp4 file, or photoshop file, uh, word file, excel file. Different types of files we have in our systems, all contain data. All files contain different types of data related with the different applications. Okay, in this chapter, we will learn how to create a file and how to store our data permanently on that file in our system. Okay, file operations. Now there are different types of file operations. Okay, opening a file, how to open a file. We will learn how to open a file and how to perform these operations. Read data, how to read data from the file, how to write data on that file. Okay, after reading and writing, how to close that file. Now the types of file. There are two types of file: text file and binary file. Text file contain the data in the readable form and binary file contain the data in non-readable form. Okay, there are certain differences between text file and binary file. Let's see what are those differences. Okay, first of all, the text file. A text file store information in ASCII or Unicode characters. Okay, we all know about the ASCII code, ASCII and Unicode. Okay. Second point is, in text file, each line is terminated by a special character known as end of line. By default, this end of line character is the new line character. Okay. Whenever we open a text file, there some internal translations take place. Okay. Now the third point is, text file are stored in human readable form and can be created by using any text editor. Okay, the default text editor is Notepad. Fourth point is, file having .txt extension is an example of text file. Okay, and store text only. We generally know by using Notepad we can create .txt extension file. Now the binary file. A binary file store data in the same way as stored in the memory. Okay, in binary file there is no internal translations take place when this file is opened for reading and writing. In binary file there is no delimiter for a line. Okay, it means the lines are not terminated with end of line character in binary file. Binary file can store different types of data: audio, video, text, image. Okay, now the fourth point is, due to no delimiter and no character translations, binary files are faster and easier for a program to read and write than a text file. It means the operation in a binary files are faster than a text file. Okay? This was the difference between text and binary files. In this chapter, we will also learn how to create and perform different operations with text and binary files.